ARs are a fun rifle to shoot, whether you are plinking in the backyard, varmint hunting, or shooting in a competition. As enjoyable as ARs can be, they can get quite dirty. Proper maintenance is important to avoid malfunctions. A quick breakdown reveals the key mechanisms of your AR, which are critical to maintain. Otis offers several tools for making cleaning quicker, easier, and smarter. The Bone Tool, Star Chamber Tool, and Ripcord. The Bone Tool cleans the bolt carrier, and firing pin with ease. The Star Chamber Tool cleans the star chamber area and locking lugs. The Ripcord is a bore cleaning tool for proper breech-to-muzzle cleaning in just one pass. All of these tools are available for AR-15 and AR-10 platforms. Otis Technology, smart gun care.